Hello, welcome Facebook family. Thank you again for joining me for another Facebook Live. Today we're doing a delicious Thanksgiving leftover sandwiches. I have here lettuce, just a fresh lettuce, so we can put on a sandwich. I have some butter because we're going to toast the bread a little bit, give that a nice crispiness. I have some Dijon mustard and mayonnaise mixed together. That's going to be our base for our sandwich. Cranberry sauce, our mashed potatoes, stuffing, and of course our delicious roasted turkey. All that's going to go into the sandwich. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. We're going to put some butter in our hot pan. I already got it going. Make sure it's nice and buttered. Okay. Alright. Go ahead and throw our bread in. I have 4 breads. I'm going to go ahead and go ahead and start all over. The pan was too hot. All over. All right. This is Fake Books Live. This is live. All right. Put our butter in our sandwich. All right, we're gonna let that brown on one side. Some more butter on top so we can flip it later. Make sure you get that nice crispiness on that side. And with all these ingredients as well, you can always do a casserole, turkey pot pie. Works really well. All right. That's looking way better. I always want to make sure that pan is nice and a little bit low and medium between there. It's a quick meal. Always checking your bread, of course. Like to turn it a couple times. Just get that crispiness really well and defined. Do about a minute on each side. Depends how toasted you like it. All right, so I have here sandwiches are nice and toasted. This is exactly what I'm looking for. place it on my mat. All right. Grab some. This is really delicious. It's Dijon mustard with some mayonnaise. It's going to be our base. Go ahead and put some on there. Go. Now we're going to go ahead and put our lettuce. Now our turkey, of course. You can leave the skin on, take it off, all up to you. Skin gives it a nice little texture to the sandwich. Okay. This sandwich is a bit messy, but it's really delicious. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and add our mashed potatoes. You have to get your hands dirty for this one. Okay. Now let's do our stuffing. Alright. With your hands just lightly pressed down. Just get everything nice and separated. Spread it. Okay. Now, go ahead and do cranberry sauce. Now, the cranberry sauce, I'm going to put it on this toast. You're going to cover it up. Delicious. Now, use all this and just press it down a little bit. Go. Now for the big burritos, go ahead and cut it. This one. All right. And there you have it. Beautiful Thanksgiving leftover sandwich. Real delicious, really simple, and your family and kids will love it. Trust me. Thank you. Until next time.